Probably the easiest project that we're doing for this Christmas season is a dog tag. I get these dog tags on Amazon. They're just aluminum dog tag with a hole in it, and they're powder coated black on both sides. I laser engrave them. Super easy. I think these are, I don't know, 50 cents or something a piece. I buy them a couple dozen at a time. Super easy, super fast. Great gift, especially for the dog lover, or you can engrave anything on them. I have some friends that have dogs that their dogs can't, won't, or don't like to wear a collar, so they wear this around their neck. The person wears it around their neck just to, remind them of their dog. So let's get to this one.
All right, here's a super easy one, and this one we are going to use the laser. I have purchased some dog tag blanks from Amazon. Those will be in the description, and we're going to do it that way. That does not mean that you cannot use this file on, say, 1/4-inch wood or plastic or something else and engrave it with a tool. It's just that we're going to do it with a laser for this video. Okay, so because we're doing it with a laser, we don't really care about what our material is, because we're just engraving it on the top. All right, and this outline here and this circle are pretty close to the dimensions of the dog tags that I purchased, the dog tag blanks that I purchased from Amazon. Your mileage may vary, so check that size very carefully and adjust as necessary. So I have included the outline over here, the outer profile, and the hole if you want to machine that from whatever you want to machine it from, wood or plastic or maybe aluminum, I don't know. I am going to burn this into the dog tag blanks that I purchased from Amazon. So, but I have included this other information for you. So, let's get to that. It's going to be a quick engrave. Okay. The laser that I'm going to use, I want it really dark, so what I have entitled Slate is the slowest feed that I have programmed, and I know that it works on this material. I've done other ones. Again, your mileage may vary. You may have to do some experimentation as to what gives you a good engraving. Okay. It doesn't matter what you put in there, okay, because it's a laser. All right. And I'm doing it old school here. I know there's some laser module and some other things, or maybe you're using light burn or whatever. Knock yourself out on that. This is just what I do, okay? And I'll just call this name and number. Okay, and I will calculate that. All right, there you go. That's what it's going to look like when we burn it out. So that's really all there is to it. I could have used a fill. I'll show you that here. Name and number. I could have used a fill here instead of an outline, and I'll show you what that looks like just for, grins. That's what it looks like. See, it fills it in with a crosshatch. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use an outline for the purposes of this video. But that's easy. This is made for a dog, but people use them for jewelry. You can put whatever you want on here. You can use your laser or engraver to, it doesn't have to be just name and phone number. It can be something that has meaning for you. But in any case, let's go out, fire up the laser, and burn this in.
Okay, for the dog tag, this is just, I buy these off of Amazon by the gross or whatever. They're 50 cents a piece. They're just a little piece of aluminum that has been powder coated black on both sides. So that's all there is to it. We'll put her in the laser and we'll engrave her.
All right, so I have my dog tag blank on my table, and I have marked with a little dot. I know it's very hard for you to see it, but there's a little dot that I have marked directly in the middle of my dog tag, because that is where the 0 is on the program or on the G-code. So I'm going to move the laser head into position, and then I'm going to 0 everything out on my computer. I have made this spacer block that I know is the exact focal length for my laser. So all I do is lower this down until it just touches. And now I know that the Z is set correctly. Okay, so I'm not going to mess with that. Then what I'm going to do is turn my laser on at its lowest power. The lowest power I can turn it on. I'm going to put on my glasses. I'm going to turn it on the lowest power that I can. And I'm going to do that by doing an MDI. I'm going to enter the G code, in here, and that is, in my case, right, S1. S1, M3. S1 turns on, gives you the power of the laser. M3 turns it on. So I'm looking at this, and I'm gonna put it right on that dot. Okay, with my glasses, I'm looking at it. Right there is right on the dot. So now I know that all my X, Y, and Z are lined up. I'm going to turn off that laser, and I'm going to hit the 0, okay? And now all I'm going to do is hit the play button. Cycle time on this one is 1 minute, 17 seconds. Here's the part of the video you guys have been waiting for, the part where I give you the free coupon code. Just go to the link in the description, and it'll take you to the file page. And check out like normal, and when it tries to charge you, just put in that coupon code and it'll be free. The only thing that I ask in return is that you subscribe to the channel. Subscription's free also. Doesn't cost you anything. Maybe, 2 seconds to click the button wherever it is. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, here we go. Okay, there you have it. Nice engraving. All right, that's really all there is to this dog tag. Simple CAD, simple, I don't know, what is it? I can't remember what it was. 20 seconds was the cycle time on this. Turns out really good. I have a piece of tape over the phone number for obvious reasons. These make great gifts. They're cheap, they're fast. I know that they last. I have one on my other dog, Matilda, probably 3 years, and she's tough on it. And the tag itself is kind of bent up a little bit, but you can still read the name and the phone number on that tag. So these are great little gifts. I hope you enjoy. We'll get on with some more of these short little ones before this Christmas. I hope you join us for those. Thanks so much.